Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to register and perform tasks on this Lumia Airdrop, okay? As you can see on their X account, they tweeted one day ago that they will be listing their Lumia token on 18th of October, okay? They'll be listing it on 18th October. So we have 6 days to go. Trust me, there is no much task for you to do. They just register. You follow me step by step on how to do the task. I'm going to show you how to do the task. Just simple something. Then you accumulate the points. On the 18th of October, you'll be giving your token and the token will go live. Okay, as you can see, they say trading kicks off on Binance in 1 week at 9 a.m. UTC on October 18, 2024. Okay, you all know that since all this while that I have been doing Telegram airdrop, there are so many Telegram airdrop that we are doing that is not paying us. So I want us to channel like 60% of our energy in other ways of making money through airdrop, not on Telegram airdrop. Okay, so if you are watching this video right now and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so how do you register? I'm going to paste the link below this video. You're going to copy the link. If you cannot copy the link, because the link is like a bit longer, okay? So if you cannot copy the link, you chat me on my WhatsApp and request for the link. So once you copy the link, you go and paste it in your Web3 browser, okay? So follow me step by step. Okay guys, so for the sake of this video, I'll be using my OKX Web3 wallet. If you have OKX Web3 wallet, you need to import your MetaMask in your OKX Web3 wallet. I've already imported mine, so if you don't know how to import yours, you can just click on this place. Before you start importing, make sure that you have already created your wallet and make sure that you save your key phrase, okay? Not your key phrase, not your money. Remember that. So once you are done creating your account, they're going to give you wallet, okay? So that's your wallet A. You're going to click on this place to add another wallet. As you can see, I have a lot of wallets here. So the next thing that you're going to do is to click on this add wallet, okay? Click on add wallet. You click on import wallet using seed phrase, private key or cloud backup. Okay, so you copy your MetaMask seed phrase, you click on this one, that you paste it, then you import your wallet successfully. So once you are done importing your wallet, you come back to the main dashboard. You click on this discover, okay? So once you click on the discover, the link that you copied, are going to paste it here, okay? Paste the link. You click here to enter. So once it brings you here, it will ask you to sign, or so you just click on confirm, okay? Click on confirm. So it's going to ask you to click it's going to ask you to switch wallet. So you click on this place that I circled. So it's going to ask you to sign. So once you're done connecting your wallet, you click on this place to put it on desktop mode, okay? So you switch to desktop mode, okay? Once you are here, it's going to ask you to connect your wallet, okay? Once you connect your wallet, you're going to get 1000 XP, okay? So you click there to connect your wallet. You click there to connect your X account, sorry. Once you come here, it's going to ask you to authorize. It's asking me to authorize because I already have this X accounts on my OKX Web3 wallet. For you that doesn't have your X account on your OKX Web3 wallet, it's going to ask you to sign in. So you're going to sign in your X account. After signing in, it will ask you to authorize. So just click on this authorize, and they're going to send you a mail. So you go to your email, you click on the mail to verify your email, okay? So after verification, you come back here, okay? Because I've already done this. That's why I'm not doing it. Okay, guys, so once you are done verifying your X account, it's going to bring you here. Or rather, you come back to this link again, okay? So you come back to this link again. You click on discover, you open the link, then you change it to desktop mode. It's going to refresh like this. You'll be seeing your wallet address like this. You'll be seeing your Twitter username here, okay? So once you are done, the first thing that you're going to do is to claim that point, that Twitter point, that 1000 Twitter point. So you claim it. As you can see, I've already claimed mine. So once you're done claiming, you're going to connect your Discord. If you don't have your Discord on your OKX Web3 wallet, then you log in your Discord in your Web3 wallet, in your OKX Web3 wallet, okay? So after you must have logged in your Discord in your OKX Web3 wallet, then you click on the link, it will take you to your Discord, then you join their Discord, you come back, you claim the token, okay? As you can see, they said connect wallet, okay? You connect your wallet, you claim your 100 XP. Then connect Twitter, you claim 1000 XP. Use faucet, you claim 100 XP. You follow this person on X. You just do this. These are normal tasks that you're supposed to do. Most of them are okay. You join Telegram, you just click on it, it will take you to your Telegram, you come back. After doing all these tasks, it will take them 1 hour to verify it. Okay, even if you didn't do them, just click on them. Just click on one of them. You click, take you to the browser, you come back. After 1 hour, they are going to verify it. So after verifying the account, they are going to give you your points, okay? You just come and claim your points. Just click here to claim, and you claim. As you can see the XP that I have gotten already, 6434 XP, okay? Okay, so this full set, they said use full set, this particular one. So you can zoom it. Let me zoom it so you see what I'm talking about, okay? So they say use the full set, claim free tokens using our full set. Then you claim 100 XP, okay? So what you need to do is just to copy this link that is here, okay? So you just copy this link that is here. Once you copy it, you paste it in another browser. So once you click on it, you copy the link, okay? I'm going to drop the link below this video. So once you copy the link, you can click on this place to go back, okay? So once you copy the link, you go back to this place, you click on it, you click on this plus sign, you paste the link, okay? You click here. So guys, once it is done loading, you go and copy your wallet address, okay? You go and copy your wallet address, you enter your wallet address here. So once you enter your wallet address, you click on request. They're going to give you 1 Lumia token, okay? They said 1 Lumia per request. Receive 1 Lumia per request, okay? So once you are done requesting, you go back to this place. You go back here, then you go and claim, okay? If you're watching this video, make sure that you follow me step by step. Do everything that I ask you to do. Do all these tasks that are just simple, okay? If you can refer somebody, just refer one friend. Once you refer one friend, you claim 10 XP, okay? One friend, 10 XP. Just refer one friend, you come here and claim 10 XP, okay? So as you can see, it's not difficult to do. There's nothing here that is difficult. You are not bridging, you're not doing anything. Just do this task and you'll be getting your XP. And on the 18th of October, they will list and you get your token. Okay, I'll be posting more of testnet airdrop on my YouTube channel. You need to be doing testnet so that we earn more money. Okay, and you need to be serious with it. If you want to make money online, you really need to work. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. Thank you.